Here's a tasty brekkie idea for you using strawberries. I'm going to char grill them to impart a smoky flavour, and I'm going to serve it with a buckwheat crumble. So in a bowl, some buckwheat flour, which you can get from all good health food stores. I've even seen it in supermarkets these days. I'll add some oats, so a few tablespoons of rolled oats, some sugar, caster sugar, and cold butter. When you're making a crumble like this, you need to have cold butter so it crumbles in nicely. Now, I like to use the buckwheat because it does give it a really nice nutty flavour, but of course you can change that and just use plain flour. Now, use the tips of your fingers just to break up the butter and squish it in to the dry ingredients. And you want to continue doing this until it's evenly crushed into the dry ingredients. So we've got sort of clumps of crumble. I do need to add some salt now, so a pinch of salt. That'll bring out the nutty flavour of the buckwheat. And that is looking pretty good. So we'll place this onto a tray, just spread it out. It looks quite dry now, but as soon as that butter starts to melt, it'll become golden. So into the oven, 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, easy so far. So now for our strawberries. I have these lovely ripe strawberries. I just want to take the tops off the strawberries. Try not to take too much of the flesh, and I want to leave them whole for this. Now, I've been preheating a grill pan. You want it to be piping hot because I don't want to be cooking our strawberries. I just want to get some slight charry colour on them. So after you've taken the tops off, I'll thread them onto skewers. This will just make it so much easier to control. And we'll put, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on, and then we'll place them on the grill. No oil required. We're just going to pop that on there so you can hear a sizzle. And you want to keep an eye on them. Don't overcook them because they will start to break up. So we're just going to get some slight colour, turn them over, and then we'll take them off. How good do these charred strawberries look? They're going to give this dish a lovely jammy, smoky flavour without ruining the shape of them. To plate this up, some yogurt, Greek yogurt, we'll place into a bowl. Spread it out. And then the strawberries, I'm not even going to chop them up. I want to leave them whole, show off their bright red colour. And then our buckwheat crumble, it's golden brown. We've removed it from the oven and we'll just scatter that over the top. That's pretty good. Finally, for some freshness, some mint, a little sprig of mint, and just pop that on the side. That is a lovely textural breakfast showing off charred strawberries.